this is a really amazing things which we have done last 6 months, and I got surprised when I saw popularity is getting increased in India especially for the blueberries.
Yes.
Because blueberry is you can say very superfood, like very unique product, like anybody can eat, like from baby, from diabetic person also. So blueberry mostly people suggest for the diet as well. So amazing stuff we brought here, and
Yes.
I'm very happy to see how that progress going in India. And future we have so much of plan. We wanted to bring that blueberry into the all small and big cities in India.
Yes. Yeah.
Journey last 6
Month.
For especially this project.
Yeah. So we start to push hard in India with our partner Anusaya for our blueberry. So we do have a premium blueberry, and it's under our brand, San Luca brand, which is well known in Europe, mainly in Germany and Austria, as a premium fruit and vegetable brand. So we have a different blueberry than the standard blueberry. So the size, how crunchy the fruit, and the bricks level. And our aim, to distribute San Luca blueberry across all India. With
Small and big
Anusaya.
cities,
Yes. We have this great opportunity thanks to Anusaya. With 1.4 billion
People.
population. So we are really grateful and thankful to have this opportunity. And for
Well, I would like first thank you, Avinash and Dino. When Team Norway presented Avinash and Anushwaya Fresh, we found out that we met the perfect match in India. We could not have found a better partner to work for the future of Indian and Norwegian collaboration in order to sell premium Norwegian ice cubes. Like we say, no one has ever worked so hard to make something taste so little. And we know, no ice, no party. So we look so much forward to this. And Frederick, our consul of Norway, is joining us today. And very happy for that. Thank you, Frederick.
What is the difference between the domestically available normal water ice and Norwegian ice? So we put both together, and I saw after 10 minutes the Norwegian ice was there still, and the other ice was melted. And when I taste both, completely different with the whiskey especially. And I feel like it's appreciating the taste when I use this water, because we pay so much of higher amount to get quality whiskey or any liquor, but if you don't use any mixer, good quality mixer, it will not get that good taste. So but Norwegian ice is always go best, and as per my experience, it was great. Thank you for bringing support, and we definitely sure we will have a big market here, because as you say, no ice, no party.
No ice, no party.
Everyone is here for the party, and everyone will try today.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
San Luca and the Science Band, what would you like to say?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. And yeah, of course, it is blueberry, so you have to look beautiful. So that's why I'm wearing blue. And what else? Blueberries are like amazing. I love it's one of my favorite fruit, like one of my favorite berries. And I'm so happy that the collaboration has happened. So we're going to get a lot of good berries here, and with that we're going to have great, drinks and dishes, and as a fruit itself to have. So I wish them all the very best, and I'm looking forward for this collaboration to really flourish in India. Thank you.
आज अनुसुईया फ्रेश का इवेंट है, क्या लगेगा?
बहुत अच्छा है, उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। इंडिया बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है और ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑलवेज वेलकम। थैंक यू।
I'm so honored to be here at this event. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and to have some wonderful blueberries. It's my favorite fruit, and it's an absolute honor to enjoy them with such a wonderful group of people and such a wonderful company.
Thank you so much. Indian market specifically, and this is a collaboration from San Luca and
very nice to be having an event like this because there are a lot of people India में खास करके they don't know that how good blueberries are. It's a very very healthy fruit. So something like this creates an awareness, and congratulations to Ansulya Group and for blueberries to come into the Indian market in such a way. I especially love the blueberry pudding and the blueberry pancakes and everything that's been with blueberry. But yeah, so it's congratulations to everyone, and I wish that we eat more healthy stuff so that we all have a healthy mind and body.
नया चीज मार्केट में आए तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट रहती है, आप कितना एक्साइटमेंट मिलेगी?
नहीं, ये नया चीज़ थोड़ी है, कोई भी फल फ्रूट तो जब से दुनिया बनी है तब से है दुनिया में. यहाँ पर एक नई चीज़ आई है तो ये बहुत हेल्दी फ्रूट है ब्लूबेरी, और इसके डिज़र्ट्स भी वगैरह बहुत अच्छे बनते हैं. तो ये नई चीज़ नहीं है, बहुत पुरानी चीज़ है जो अब नई बन के हमारे यहाँ आई है, तो वो बहुत सही चीज़ है.
Fresh blueberries, you eat like this fresh fruit, and then frozen blueberries, then dry blueberries is taken as a snacking. तो कई फॉर्मेट में आता है, तो किसी फॉर्मेट में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वही फ्रोज़न होता है, वो स्मूथीज़ बनाओ, केक्स बनाओ, और फ्रोज़न फ्रेश को ऐसे ही ईट करो और ड्राई को स्नैकिंग के लिए यूज़ करो. तो ब्लूबेरी सो वर्सेटाइल, आप कहीं भी किसी एप्लीकेशन में, बेकरी में, फूड में और स्नैकिंग में कहीं भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो ब्लूबेरी इज सो न्यूट्रिशियस एंड हेल्पफुल एंड वर्सेटाइल. थैंक यू.
It's such a pleasure to be here and such a great collaboration to bring blueberries to India, and also with Iceman to bring the purest form of ice from Norway. I think it's one of it's a hit and hit, and especially for a party like this with so many people from different walks of life, I think it's perfect. We're having a great time, and a team of Karmanya is here, and we have our director Tinu Verma over here, our writer Seher, and these are the actors of Karmanya. So here we are for the first time ever.
राजीव, इतना बड़ा फंक्शन, इतनी बड़ी पिक्चर, इतना वन मैन आर्मी है भैया. ये मेरा भांजा है, मेरे से कई कदम आगे है, एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिम. और वी आर ऑल हैविंग fun making of Katmania. It's something different movie in the forest, and my pleasure working with Rajiv and full entire team.
And all the best to the entire team of Sanlukar and with Anusia Fresh and Iceman, everybody. All the very best. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you so much for having me on this event. And since I know the brand very well because we've associated, our movies associated with blueberries, so I'm pretty excited. I'm so happy to associate it with the brand. And thank you so much for having me here. And it's a great support, to have this brand because I'm health conscious. I personally prefer कि आप जो भी खाते हो ना वो आपके शरीर पे जाता है, राइट. एंड ब्लूबेरी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंटीऑक्सीडेंट इन योर बॉडी विच वर्क्स आउट लाइक मैजिक. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सपोर्ट दिस ब्रांड. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत. आप बोलिए. सबसे पहले तो आई एम श्योर एवरीवन इज अवेयर blueberry has the highest content of antioxidants, 3 times more than what we have in green tea. Okay, so the healthiest fruit that we can have, the healthiest food that we can have, omega 3, omega 6, omega 9, all 3 fatty acids are supposed to be in very high content. I think about 30% plus in blueberries. So I'm glad Anusia Fresh is bringing one of the healthiest food available on the planet, and I'm given to understand they're collaborating with Mr. Iceman, right? So I'm sure, looking forward to this collaboration, this healthy collaboration, this amazing collaboration.
For anything else, we have our own personal Google. So any questions, just shoot it to him. Even the Berry guy should shoot it to him. He's Pankaj Berry and Sudesh Berry of Berry. Hi. You are the Berry guy.
Yeah.
Congratulations, bro. You need to know anything about berries, this is the guy.
Okay.
He's our personal Google. So anything you want to know, anything that you do not know, I'm sure you're absolutely aware. You've done your research. Anything that is there,
definitely.
This is the guy for.
Okay, great.
No, I just like to read, nothing else. I just like to
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, please, yeah, picture.
Congratulations on the target. Killing it like so well.
Thank you so much.
Entire world, you're making. What a lovely film. Congratulations for that. You look lovely as always. Tell us about your favorite
Food? I'm a foodie actually. I love everything. But ice cream, right? Iceman. Blueberries is my favorite actually. I love blueberries and anything to do with berries I love.
what will you future plans to do? Trying to see you again and again. What's next?
Yeah, my next is coming called Ittar with Beena Bakshi, and where it's a mature love story where Deepak Tijori and we are both involved in a relationship. It's a very interesting film. And also one movie with Arbaaz Khan and Mahesh Manjrekar called Kaal Ghori. It's a horror thriller by Nitin G. He's a Gujarati director. I'm looking forward.
Yeah, actually, we are running family business. So everyone is involved in our business right now. And he's my cousin brother, elder brother. And he also support in the same industry. Since like 20 years he's supporting for promoting blueberry into the Horeca segment right now.
Thank you very much. They have a blast inside, a great presence, and looking forward to it.